it's a rough thing, that India thing that we are going there, it's going to affect a whole heap of things. Yeah, man, it's going to affect enough things, that India thing there. Because now we say, the really and truly now, the AstraZeneca, the British regulators, I say, them cite 41 more blood clot reports following the AstraZeneca joke. Yes, 41 more blood clot reports. And the India thing, you know, everybody runs to aid India. I don't understand how the country make the most vaccine and the most medicine and the most this and that. How them find themselves in another problem, yeah. How much you must them did I give a vaccine to, you know, because them was the first one to give vaccines to Mahamatli, and then she started to distribute it, I think, right across the Caribbean, except Jamaica, who I don't know why them never get none at the time when they get, but them eventually get some. But it's a big problem. I mean, it might not look like it's going to affect me, so, but it's a big problem because you know, nearly every country, the thing I flirt up again, you know. Nearly every country, the thing I push up again, you know. People are talking about lockdown again, you know. Lockdown, total lockdown. You know, Europe and cross Asia and all them places. The government, they must say, look here, we have to go lockdown, you know, because the thing has gone away. It has get away. Not to mention all in Brazil. Brazil have enough debt, you know, enough, like 400,000. I run near to America, yes or no. Meanwhile, our one kinda look like it, kinda. I get lickler, just not much, but we can't, you know, say nothing yet. We have to wait and see where we go on. We see Pelosi, the House Senator there, I say 75% of the House lawmakers vaccinated. Yeah, that she say. But it don't look good out of earth at all. It don't look good out of earth. That's why I say we can't drop the baton, you know. We can't drop it because the country them a ball. Countries whenever they a ball now. Countries where they open up them place a lock back. The lockdown is a problem, you know. The lockdown is a problem. I'm still insist say, instead of lock down the place, them should have regulate the mask and the social distance more. Get it more stringent. So that the people them who sell things and all them something they can get a chance to sell. But no say, if them a sell and them not have on them mask, all them little shop where people don't wear masks, all up where me live there, so you have some little shop there up there, so where nobody don't wear masks, where them pack up in there, ask for flour and salt and sugar. Them not have on no mask and nobody not there at the door. Because in the supermarket, you go see man stand up at the door. And other stores and them where they are bank. But them little shop there, them not have nobody at the door where I say, mask up or no. No. Them none of that. And that's the crowd there. And you know so the thing filter out amongst the wider population when people do that. So me don't know. Me still feel like them should have opened up the place. And the people them must guarantee so them are going to follow the protocols. All these little people that talk about them now wearing no mask. Them now wearing no mask. They must be made to wear it. Because other countries them have to wear it. It's a weird thing, you know. You have certain driver at Jamaica, you know. Them broke every law up on the road. And when the America, them stop at stoplight at 12 o'clock in the night and no car now pass. Yeah, the driver at some Jamaican taxi man at New York, man. 2 o'clock in the morning, we come from show them when we done the show them, man. The man will stop at the stoplight. No car that come right, no car that come left, and no car that ever come by the one where they might drive on to. Or them stop. Not to mention all England. Every corner, every crevice have what them call it, a camera. every crevice have a camera. So you can't do nothing and then pick you up. Them have to pick you up. So we need to get some discipline. And we know people have said this and people have said that the government have tried to do this and the government have tried to control your life and the government have tried to do this and the government have tried to do that. Me not a one who feel that way there because my sister I know our government. I think me can say our government because I know my government. Me never vote. Me say other countries much larger than we are much more what you call liberal or more conservative or liberal in one of them. Me see them deal with the protocols them. In a Europe, in a Asia and them places. Me see where them are locked down back them country. Lock it down back and a demand to the people them wear masks. Well, ironically, in a certain states in America, where the people them who are responsible for the health thing, I say, them are going to allow people who have 2 vaccines to go out without the mask. Them allow that. Like restaurants and all them places, people who have get them 2 vaccination can really travel without the mask. But for enclosed places where lock up and you're in there, like some bank where name them might say, they might tell people they must still wear their mask, but they might free up the mask thing now. Because I see some people have burned their mask on the roadside yesterday. When I look at the news last night, I see dozens of people just throw their mask on the ground and light it. Understand? Say, the days of mask like it gone, we should hope so. We should hope so. But meanwhile, we could look upon the situation and we could realize there's something out there and it get wickeder now. Yeah, man, it'll get wickeder. It'll get wickeder. And we have to take sleeper mark that we have to look upon India with over 1 billion people. The British regulators aside 41 more blood clot from the AstraZeneca. This AstraZeneca have the most reports of blood clot in the world. And you have about 2 or 3 with the Johnson & Johnson. But them test it out in Europe after a long period of not giving nobody it, and then them say, boy, we can continue. Well, in England, a 41 more blood clot. Them report. So we're going to see what's going to happen. I know say AstraZeneca is the one where we have here. Yes, AstraZeneca is the one where Jamaica have. And we hear when name Uncle Trump I say he must source some either from Russia, China, or even Cuba. And we hear that it's next month. What date it is today? Today is the 29th. The Cuban them say is in May, them going to roll out and see what's going to happen. So I could hear what the World Health Organization I could say about the Cuban them and them vaccination, because we know how them stay. We know them stay because we are told by the president that them have 60 million doses of the AstraZeneca that them not using because them say it was not passed to use in America. Or them think they make me start to get bummy because here's a vaccine where them say them not using in America. 1, them not using it in America. 2, it is reported to have the most side effects or blood clot than any other one that the vaccine. Not even the Chinese vaccine report these things. You know, so yes, we're going to watch and see where we're going. The Australian them and the Israeli them look like them is quite okay here. You know. So remember when they tell you say the Prime Minister of Norway about 2 weeks ago was arrested for keeping a party with more than the required protocol that they must setting up. and she was arrested. And I did say that in a Jamaica, they couldn't do that. Arrest the Prime Minister, you're mad. Police who do that lose him work. Well, we hear of another arrest in Thailand. The Prime Minister was fined $190 for not wearing a mask in public places. What me say? The Thailand Prime Minister was fined $190 for not wearing mask in public places. You think you could have talked to any politician about that in a Jamaica? Well, you are. A party a keep and a politician in there. And the police them come in on it and say, watch out. We're going to saw so many people at the party. The politician, me talk about Jamaica now, the politician call the police outside and walk come in back by himself. And we see the police them drive off. And the party continue. That is what Jamaica is all about. Take a sir, I get 2 minutes to talk every time. That's how it go. Anyway, we want to play this tune though. We don't know how long the tune is. But, well, at 2 minutes we have left for the news. We can't play the tune. But make us start it. You know, when I start it, you know, say, the government of Jamaica show them true colors, especially the Prime Minister, when they must skirt around the same George Wright thing. You know, him go up and leave. He might go up and leave for 2 months with pay. With pay. You want to hear what I say? George Wright, Member of Parliament, is going and leave with pay. You understand? What a thing. What a thing. They're not disclosing why I'm taking leave at this moment because they don't have to. But them a claim say he have some urgent business to attend to. I don't know what kind of urgent business. He must have gone and go lock up in a room with the lady because the two of them not telling nothing. And the irony about it, you know, is that the police them say them can't do nothing about it because it is not clear that it's him and the video. What a foolishness. No, if a man show a video and the whole Jamaica say I'm me, the first thing I do, you know, I make a statement and say, no, it's not me, it's not me. Me now go make spend 2 weeks, I run around the place and I go like business as usual. Business as usual, out come business as usual. And the Prime Minister and some of them people them is going around the thing like, oh, them Jamaicans so forget it. 9 weeks, 9 days, wonder, them so forget it. It's a terrible thing. It's a terrible thing. And now we hear say, him is going and leave with pay. You hear that? You hear that? The man is caught on camera doing these terrible things and him now getting leave with pay. Yes. So we are saying that this brother named George Wright, I don't know, them are shield him because him for win election. That is really what happened for win election. So it come like them owe him. But guess what? The people them are ball out. And apparently the minister, well, the Prime Minister look like him and say, well, watch you know, you could have ball blood little more, you know. The man they help for win election and maybe if it wasn't even there, so you know. Me go do what me can do to see how me can stretch out this thing that the old Jamaican people them forget it because them easy to forget things. 9 days, well, more than 9 days gone now, since the people them not forget it. And more people are come out about it. I tell you, we're told that the Prime Minister going to let him go. But certain things have to be in place first. Because, you know, the by-election coming up. Yes, the by-election coming up, you know. Maybe that's why him go and leave and I go come forward when the by-election is near. But apparently, they must search for a replacement. They must search for a replacement. But we see what will happen. You know, scheming and scheming and thieving and thieving. That is what these politicians does. All the while, take the people them for idiot. Them know why them don't want to go around the thing because, I mean, why them going around the thing because them know say by election are going to come up and them have to find somebody who can make them win just like how this brother can make them win. You understand? So them go on with them things. This is the stepping razor. We want to tell you that at 3:45 we will be talking to the Prime Minister of St. Vincent. Yes, about what is really happening down there, what's going on and all these things. So we want you to stay for that. 3:45, we'll be talking to Prime Minister Gonzalez about what is taking place in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Yeah, anyway, because it again, we say the Vineyard Town thing, we talk about how the politician go in at the politician in the party and police come inside there, so, and the police come in there, we lock down the thing, and prosecute everybody in there, The politician just walk out with the police. Little more, you see the politician walk come in and everything back to normal, the police just drive off. And me that say, meanwhile, down in Vineyard Town, the police them come, lock down a session, and I go try arrest everybody. And everybody has camped for them car. Everybody around for them car to drive out, and the police, they lock the gate. They lock the gate with everybody inside it. So who left them car till they come back for their car. Well, you know what the police them do. The police them tow away the car them people they have to go pay extra money, not only for the other party, and the people them will keep the session. But as me I say, that is Vineyard Town. That is Vineyard Town, and there was no politician at that one to talk to the police them. That is the way of Jamaica. But we can't say countries like now we arrest them Prime Minister. Country like Thailand arrest them Prime Minister. They arrest the Thailand Prime Minister because him never have no mask in a public place. No, we in Jamaica you could have do that. No, we. Many divorces happened during the COVID. Many divorces. There is something that is happening in the psyche of our people. And maybe all over the world too, where it's causing this. Where somebody who you love, or claim say you love, because of what is taking place, the town decides the boy can't work. I don't know if it's true. You go find some pants hang up underneath in the closet where you realize you know your own and it can't fit you. And the pants foot tight, so you know wear tight pants for almost somebody else's pants. We don't know. Something are wrong and we need to fix it. We need to fix it. Because it's not lovely if you say this disease here create havoc, not only physical havoc, but mental havoc. Yes, mental havoc. People are work from them home now and find say them wife, they are the house too. And as you hear, one of them COVID songs where me I play all the while where, you know, so I'm going to find it, I'm going to play it because it is so relevant to the situation where we are say happening now. So very relevant because it's a thing where happen all over the world. I can't tell where we are here. Yeah, it's a COVID thing. It's something where happening all over the world. The dismantling of families. Dismantling of families because of the coronavirus. Whole heap of families gone. Gone. Never to come back. Oh, that's like a work out after the COVID when you find say the COVID is just for a time. Yeah, the COVID is just for a time, whether you want to like it or not. It's not going to stay here the whole time. I know that. I not ask nobody that. This is not going to stay the whole time. And if you are not if you are not one get together and it a go on now, want to when the thing done and you realize you make a mistake. Yeah. Want to you mean say you have to start over your life again. Yeah? After you make so much life together, this and that, you have to start over your life again. So when you realize you make a mistake, what you going to do? A former operation manager at the National Commercial Bank accused of stealing tens of millions of dollars from the institution over a 3-year period pleaded guilty in the Home Circuit Court on Thursday, which is today. 52-year-old Andrea Garden of a Kingston address was charged last June with larceny as a servant after the bank uncovered the multi-million-dollar fraud. She was remanded when she appeared before Justice Lana Shelley Williams on Thursday and is to be sentenced on May the 31st. It is reported that between January 2017 and May 2020, Garden transferred over $35 million from the bank to her personal accounts. An investigation was launched by members of the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, which led to Garden's arrest. Garden has been employed to NCB for 30 years. 30 years. I wonder why she chose to do it now. I mean, not now, but when she did do it. What I think, millions of dollars. Why would I like some of them friends there, no, no, would I like some of them friends there? Because, I mean, you work at a place for 30 years and you keep skimming till it come up to $30 million. Wow. That's really some skimming, Rasta. Really some skimming. So, as we are saying,